Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Battlefield 6. You got to a security violation error, game failed to launch, please try launching the game again. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on start menu, choose the option run. Type here msinfo32 and then hit the enter key. Now right over here, you need to check two different things. First one is BIOS mode and second one is secure boot state. BIOS mode should be uefi and secure boot state should be turned on. If these two things are not turned on, you can watch this video of mine where I have told you how to turn on these two things right into your PC by entering into the BIOS menu. After turning these two features on, go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the issue. Although if these two things are already turned on, then again you need to enter into the BIOS menu. And in BIOS menu, you need to find secure boot state. It is either in the security settings or in the advanced settings. From here, you will find the option of secure boot, either standard or custom. If it is standard, switch it to custom, save the changes. After saving the changes, again go back into the BIOS and then switch back it to standard. I mean, you need to do a vice versa of your secure boot from standard to custom or custom to standard by saving changes one by one. After doing so, you will find another option of reset BIOS security to factory default. Click on this option after enabling custom or standard mode right into the BIOS. After doing these things, save the changes and restart your PC. And once your system restart, make sure you unplug any USB drive that is attached to your system that is not required while playing the game. After unplugging USB, relaunch the game and the issue of security violation will be fixed out. Although, if this also failed, click on start menu, type cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Type here a command verifier /reset and then hit the enter key. After resetting verifier, again try to relaunch the game and hopefully this time the issue of game failed to launch, please try launching the game again will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.